In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your photos and videos on Facebook at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app and then hit at your profile picture to open up your profile. Now hit at that three dots icon next to edit profile button and here hit at activity log. Now there tap at manage your posts to see all your posts for all the time and here hit at filters. From that menu select categories and then photos and videos. It shows up all your photos and videos, and if you want to delete all of them at once, all you have to do is right here hit at all and then here tap at recycle bin. That removes all photos and videos from the very beginning at once. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.